BD is now offering an L5P reman turbo for 17 to 19 and 2020 plus Duramax trucks. The L5P reman turbo is a great alternative to buying a brand new stock one from GM. It's a better cost-effective solution, and at BD we take these apart, clean them up, sandblast them, put new oversized bearings in them, rebuild them, and get it back to you better than before. And the bonus to this, before we send it to you in the box, we calibrate the actuator on these so it's a little bit easier for you guys to install. So the best thing about our reman turbos, they're a stock replacement. You take out your old one, put this one back in the exact same spot, no modifications required. If you're an L5P Duramax owner and you're in need of a stock replacement turbo with a little bit more life to it, we've got these ones here for you. We do have 17 to 19 with the correct actuator as well as the 20 plus. The main difference between the two, as you can see the actuator here, the connector on the front, it's a slight change in direction and a little bit of electrical difference between the two, so you gotta make sure you get the correct one. If you're looking for more options for your L5P Duramax, maybe include an intake horn with your install, check us out at bddiesel.com.